Hi, for today's Dr. Chan GCSE Total Recall System, we're going to learn a list of the adult cells and where they're found in the body. And this is something I literally just learnt in the car a minute ago, because those of you who follow my channel know I absolutely love working from my car by the beach. And today is the first day since lockdown I can come back and work by the beach. So as you can tell, I'm a little bit excited. And I thought, right, what list can I just suddenly learn now that I can actually share with you? So the list I'm going to share with you now, we're going to do it through, as usual, through a story like the recall system shows us to do. And again, it's for the adult cell stems in the body and where they're found, okay? So the first place we're going to get, the story's going to start like this. We're going to have a man, let's keep it a beach theme because I'm by the beach. We're going to have a man walking onto the beach and he finds a skull. Now within the skull, when he presses the brain, so that's the first place we're going to find these stem cells is in the brain, the eyes squirt out blood, and the blood that it squirts out come out as heart shapes, okay? So we got the first ones now, which is brain, eyes, blood and heart. Now one of the hearts lands on his hand and it turns into a bone, and the bone stinks of liver. Now forgive me, I've got no sense of smell, so I've got no idea what liver smells like, but I'm told it's got a smell. So that's the bone marrow and the liver covered. For the final two, which is skin, and so for the skin, we're just going to have that he scratches his hand, the skin on his hand. And guess what happens when he scratches the skin on his hand? A mussel pops up, you know, mussel like you have on the beach. Those ones you can have in moule marinade and things. Well, we got a mussel that lands on his hand. And that's how we've learned in a few minutes how to know where within the body adult stem cells are found. So let's just recap by going through the story in our heads and what the parts are. It's going to be a brain, eye, blood, heart, all right, because we had the brain, didn't we, which squirted then blood in a heart shape from the eyes. When it landed on his hand, it was a bone, so that's the bone marrow, and it stunk of liver, so that's the liver covered. And then he scratched the skin on his hand, so that's the skin bit covered, and a mussel miraculously landed on his hand. And that's how we've learned Dr. Chan's GCSE Total Recall System to learn in, what, a minute or so? What parts of the body you can find adult stem cells. How much easier is that to help your children with than just learning a boring list where they just have to keep reciting it till they learn it? And for us as well, I mean, who knows when that might come up on a quiz show like the quiz or even a millionaire question, who knows? So you can never, there's never an age group to learn these Dr. Chan GCSE Total Recall System. Forget the GCSE bit, because my mum uses them at 80 and I use them to help any of my children with revision and also to keep my own brain going. All right, so that's it today for today's GCSE Total Recall System, Dr. Chan's manual. As ever, I'll pop a link to how you can purchase your copy. I just want to say it's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you've got nothing whatsoever to lose by trying it out. And secondly, to say that there is a chance I could get paid an affiliate commission if you were to use my link to purchase. But rest assured, you won't pay any more whatsoever for the product. It will actually be paid to me direct by the product owner. All right, hope you enjoyed today's video. As ever, feel free to comment in the comments if there's anything you'd like me to cover. And also subscribe to my channel, because that way then you won't miss any future videos that I make covering this topic. Bye for now.